Hi, my name is Udhipa Sohan, and in this video I will demonstrate how I debug my C# console application for the SIT232 Practical Task 1.2b. I have already opened the GuessingNumber.cs file in Visual Studio, and to begin I place breakdowns the code and let's run it, see how it works. So there are two versions, predefined number version and the version 2 that the one user sets a number and the another user guesses it. So as for the first breakpoint, you can see the numbers are not yet assigned, and after that the number is 5, it's assigned, and let's move on. And here it prints this predefined number as the main here, main version 1. Then it prints the number between 1 and 10, and we have now the user enters like 3, and it assigns the guess as the 3, and then it checks if the number guess is less than 1 or greater than 10, uh, or is the guess equals to the number. If not, it goes, it says incorrect and try again, and it goes back to the above and say guess the number between 1 and 10 again. So let me try 5. Sorry, let me try 5. Now it's again assign guess as 5, and I already know the number is 5, so it checks it's between 1 and 10, and then check if the guess is equal to the number. Then if that's true, then you have to print you guess the number, and well done. Then it breaks and it goes to the second part, version 2. Now in version 2 is the one user defined number and another one user can guess it. Let's move on to that. In here the target number and guess number is 0, and the first user have to assign a number. So 7, and it has to be between 1 and 10. Set it as 4, and then let's move on. So the target number is equal to 4, and then there's a sign saying it prints user 2 to look away, user 1 is entering a number, like that. And it just I just wrote it to skip lines, so in the debug console that it goes above and the user 2 can't see. Let's keep that. Okay, that's nice. And user 2 have to guess the number. 7 is straight away incorrect, try again, because you don't have to check anything because you know the exact number here. And let me see, assigned. So assigned 4. So then it goes here. It says correct, you guess the number. If the guess equals to target number, then it prints correct, you guess the right number, and it breaks here, breaks and goes in the program. And that's it. This debugging process helped me to better understand the flow of the program and confirm that all the functionalities were working as intended. And that's it for the video demonstration, and thanks for watching.